Lesson 3, Elements of a Story, Fiction. We've already covered 16 different literary elements of fiction, but we're not done yet. Here's a few more: symbolism, metaphor, simile, personification, alliteration, and onomatopoeia. First, let's look at symbolism. Symbolism is the use of an everyday thing to stand for something more meaningful. Symbol is something that represents something else. And just about anything can be a symbol. It can be an object, character, place, or even an event. Next, we have metaphor. This is the comparison of two unlike things. Metaphors are part of figurative language, and the comparison is made without using the words like or as. For example, he's a walking encyclopedia. He is being compared to an encyclopedia. Next, we have Mary's voice is music to my ears. Mary's voice is being compared to music. And this comparison is being made in these phrases without having the word like or as in that phrase. Next, we have simile. This is also the comparison of two unlike things, but comparison is made with like or as. For example, we are like two peas in a pod. Similes are also part of figurative language. Next, we have personification. Now, this is where an author gives human qualities, feelings, actions, or characteristics to animals or inanimate objects. For example, the wind whistled throughout the day. The wind cannot whistle. Or the leaves danced their way through the lawn. Leaves don't dance. Next, we have alliteration. This is a fun one. This is the repetition of the first sounds of a word. For example, busy buzzing, the bee behaved beautifully. Or, she sells seashells by the seashore. See, I even struggle saying that. And finally, we have onomatopoeia. This is another fun one. This is a word that sounds as it is pronounced. It's the imitation of natural sounds, but in word form. And the word names a thing or action by copying the sound. For example, crack, kaboom, or drip, 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 or boom, boom, boom.